The iPhone 15 Ultra may be used to take spatial images and videos for the Apple Watch. According to Vision Pro, depending on what the source claims, you may not be able to see the spatial material on the iPhone itself, as claimed by an unknown Weibo account reported by MacRumors. Nevertheless, it still seems far more convenient to record video or snap pictures using a gadget you'll probably already have in your pocket rather than bringing a bulky headset with a potentially finite battery out to your social events. However, since spatial video and photos go a step further and allegedly provide the Vision Pro's user a completely 3D portrayal of a scene, Apple could need to add more cameras to the iPhone 15 Ultra than the existing primary, ultra-wide, telephoto, and LiDAR combination. Additionally, even though it wouldn't fully use the capabilities of the Vision Pro, we wonder if Apple would end up developing a lower standard spatial format that iPhones can shoot with their present camera setup. The rumor mill indicates that an Ultra iPhone will be released next year even though we haven't seen one yet. It's also feasible that this year's iPhone 15 Ultra may just be the iPhone 15 Pro Max with a different moniker. The source for MacRumors cautions that their information is currently incomplete, but that is expected. The iPhone 16 series isn't expected to debut for another year or more, so a lot might happen between now and then as Apple works to construct its next iPhones. However, the iPhone 15 series is probably only going to be available at Wonderlust for 1 week. The September 12th Apple event is planned to take place. While we haven't heard any speculations regarding Vision Pro or spatial computing for the next iPhones, we have heard a lot of rumors about the iPhone 15 Pro Max/Ultra, which is said to include a periscope telephoto camera, which will provide better zoom capabilities than prior iPhones. If the rumors are accurate, coupled with other potential features like the action button and A17 Bionic-driven performance, we can't wait to test out this camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.